Alright, so let's get started. First thing, pull the bowl off. These aren't super tight. So it's got a reusable gasket if you can get it off okay. And if you're lucky. Alright, so that's pretty good. It just stuck to the metering valve plate. So here's inside the float bowl. The little check valve goes through here. You've got to pull it through this side. And actually, when the accelerator pump squirts, it actually just squirts through this little tiny hole right here, which lines up with this hole right up here. Yep. And so let's throw that in. We'll splash oil. This thing slides through nice. Here's the guy right here. They give you two. I don't know. Maybe they think you're gonna mess it up. I hope I don't. Whatever. Two shots. Okay, this. Just need one of them. Okay. I don't know. Can I pull through my hand? Okay, go try it. Okay, it's all set. That's it right there. You want to cut that little leg off. That's just to help you put it together, because your float's going to hit it. So you just trim that. Get rid of that thing right there. Cut. Perfect. So that's Viton rubber. So that's all set. I'm actually ready to put the bowl back on now. And I can do all this from the top side. So just line this up carefully. Looks pretty good. Hardware on there. Here. You don't have to kill these things. Always make them a little tighter if they drip. Alright, so here's the accelerator pump diaphragm 133-5. This thing has been sitting for a while. Alright, so it goes on a certain way. You have to throw the spring back in. So it's got a cup. What is the old one? This side was against the fuel, so the rounded holds against fuel. This actually hits the little cam from the accelerator pump, so it goes on like this. Pretty straightforward. Throw the arm on here. Gotta get this thing swung around where I want it. Oops, it's out of position here. That. Start it up. Add more. Okay. Alright, so that's it. It's all back together now. When you hit this, you can see the arm moves. It's going to pump the accelerator pump. Once again, that little check valve is actually right here. It's kind of hard to see. This Phillips screw. I would take the carburetor off to do it if you had this problem, but basically if the carburetor's been sitting around for a while, that might be stuck, and that might be stopping you from getting a squirt from your accelerator pump. So I'm going to throw this on the car. Hopefully the accelerator pump works, and we'll be starting this thing up soon. Thanks for watching.